Hey guys, Tony here. Not sure if you guys think I'm joking or not, but I was being completely serious. Like, if you guys just Google it, just Google Lil Yachty in the stock market. I'm pretty sure, like, from what I remember, he dropped an album like here. He dropped an album like around here somewhere. He dropped an album here. He dropped an album like right here. And then the market fucking tanked. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, Google this. Like, just Google Lil Yachty stock market and go to the very first one that like appears and shit. Like, I'm not joking when I say that Lil Yachty, and coincidentally, whenever he drops an album, the stock market fucking like drops. And this is the first time he publicly announces that he buys into something. And guess what? Like, he buys into fucking something, and look at fucking Doggy. You know what I mean? Like, he announced, I think he tweeted like around 3:30. He tweeted like around 3:30 that he was actually like, what is it called? That he was what is it called? Like, buying Doggy, and then boom, we like fucking dip, right? So hopefully he actually like sells everything, but I don't know, bro. Like, that's the only reason why I'm scared right now, because Lil Yachty fucking bought Doggy Coin and he just told everybody about it, and now I'm like scared.